masalang bukas. Salamat king 5 siglong kasalpantayanan. Daralami kalam ning pangatubog. Sa blamingan, babyemingan, tapat ang aking katataulian. Tango kami king misyon mo. Ume kami king aslaga. Daking ama numusuyo anding mangailangan. Talaning mo mantabe king dalan, palablabaning misyon para king Ginoo. Harapan tamuing masalang bukas. Salamat king 5 siglong kasalpantayanan. Daralami kalam ning pagatubo. Sa blamingan, babyemingan, tapat ang aking katataulian. Tango kami Ginoo, king misyon mo. Ipagkalaman, banmedake at yayan, masabay, hustisya, kapayapan. Ilugod tamo, king sablayang tanda, ning kekatang kasalpantayanan. Daralami kalam ning pangatubo, masabang hustisya, kapayapan. Harapan tabu'y masalang bukas. Salamat king 5 siglong kasalpantayanan. Daralami kalam ning pangatubo. Sa blamingan, babyemingan, tapat ang aking katataulian. Tango kami Ginoo, king misyon mo. Tango kami Ginoo, king misyon mo.
Thank you so much, Janelle. Let us remain standing for the singing of the Hymno Kapampangan and Hymno Fernandino to be led by Ron Talao and Keith De Guzman, respectively.
Kapampangan Kinglegwan naning alaya, kapuning pantas at marangal, sibol ning lugod karinan ning tepangan, batis ning kakalarban at panamdam makabalin. Ini payapa ki malugod mungkan tungan. Kapampangan sa lining-ligwan, kapampangan sandalan ning katibawan, hilog ni puso ni atin kang dambana. Luwid ka, palsitan ni kapampangan. Luwid ka, palsintan ming kapampangan. Kapampangan sa lining-ligwan, kapampangan sandalan ning katimawan, kilubning puso mi atin kang dambangan.
San Fernando, balen kong tibuan, day kang mahal. Niting Kapampangan, mga tatag, piyasa't matenakan, kapanayan at sulu, ning tagimpan, itong buti, ning bekti dayatan, ilang tanda, ning likas mong yaman, ning batuin mo, ke kami pamisan, ilang ke kang kawin at sandalan, balen kong tibuan, San Fernando sa lening Kapampangan, ikaing bukod, makasidwan, king saluku, maingat pegasipan, luit ka balen kong tunay pasintan. Fernandino, lahi kang magangal, tayang pantas, niliping aaslagan, mapuhi ka, tune, uligan, nandigan at tuyan, at sandalan, palen kong tibuan, San Fernando sa lening Kapampangan, ikaing bukod, makasituan, king saluku, maingat pegasipan, luit ka balen kong tunay pasintan. Balen kong tibuan, San Fernando sa lening Kapampangan, ikaing bukod, makasituan, king saluku, maingat pegasipan, luit ka balen kong tunay pasintan, dangalan ko, king ulimu, ing mateku, Fernandino.
Dakala salamat, Ron Talao and Keith De Guzman.
At this juncture, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our city government officials who are here with us tonight. Di nantala pong maya pa oras, din kaya katamong opisyalis ng lokal na gobyerno ng siyudad San Fernando, panimunan ng Mayor Vilma Balye Caluwag and Vice Mayor Benedict Jasper Simon Lagman.
And syempre, our City Council, Councilor Brens Gonzalez, Councilor Rosalie Mendoza, Councilor Ricky Tizon, Councilor Reggie G. For David, Councilor Tina Lagman.
Councilor Ato Agustin, Councilor Angel Wihangco, Councilor Dr. Aizel Macalino, Councilor Reden Halili, and Councilor Rose Kalimlim.
Honorable Roy Henson as SK President of the city, and Dr. Benjamin Angeles, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, Liga Chapter President-elect.
All of this would not be possible without the efforts of our city officials and working committees. Ngayon banwang iti, pakilala mila po ring megobra at paypagal at misaup-saup ban kanita masantinga ang kakatamong ligligang parol or Giant Lantern Festival. Our Giant Lantern Festival Executive Committee is a perfect blend of public and private partnerships. We'd like to introduce our Executive Committee.
In kakatamong Honorary Chairperson, Mayor Vilma B. Calua.
Honorary Vice Chairperson, Vice Mayor PJ Lagman.
Giant Lantern Festival 2023 Executive Committee Chairperson, Sonia P. Soto.
Giant Lantern Executive Committee Co-Chairperson, Engineer Alvin Y. Mendoza.
GLF Execom 2023 Executive Committee Vice Chairperson, Ms. Nanita Garcia.
Already po ng kakatamang private sector members, Mr. Franco de Jesus, Mr. June Pineda Jr., Mr. Rodel Zapanta, Mr. Christopher Soliman, Mr. Jericho Maceda, Mr. Arnold Sicat, Architect Armel Cruz, Architect Joseph de la Cruz, Architect Reynold Susa, Architect Aladin Akil, Mr. Jose Lazatin, Mr. J.B. Chua, Mr. Jody Mercado, Ms. Pritz Olalia Faustino, and Mr. Zab Jimenez.
Kabang din kakatamong government sector members, yapin po Councilor Rosemary Kalimlim, Councilor Renz Gonzalez, Engineer Nelson Lingat, Architect John Manuel Chu, Tita Joe B. Henson, Dr. Cristina Sangumay, Mr. Raimundo Hipolito Jr., Engineer Michael Quizon Jr., Mr. Jose Tiburcio Canlas, Ms. Rizel Mangilit, Ms. Mary Ann Bautista, Mr. Mark Jason Viran, Engineer Anel David, Ms. Maria Lourdes Carmela Jade Pangilinan, Mr. Louis Clemente, Mr. Levi Panlilio, Ms. Gemma Doble, Dr. Rowena Salas, Mr. Raymond Del Rosario, Attorney James Francis Villanueva, Mr. Kim John Sagan, Fire Chief Inspector Nestor Buta, Police Lieutenant Colonel Preston Bangangan, Regional Director William Beltran of PIA, Regional Director May Clar of DepEd, and Dr. Leonardo Zapanta Seso 5.
Thank you so much to our Giant Lantern Board of Advisors, composed of our past Giant Lantern Festival chairpersons, starting with Tita Tess Laus, Tito Bongma, Architect Yoli Reyes, Mr. Frank De Jesus, Ms. Corito Panlilio Lim, Dr. Lou Javier, Captain Boy Pacla, Engineer Esto Conanan, Mr. Jim Jimenez, Mr. Gil Cortez, Engineer Alex Pacho, Engineer Alex Magsino, Ms. Agnes Romero, Engineer Felix Barras, Mr. Robbie Hizon, and Mr. June Pineda.
Pasalamat namo naman po King City of San Fernando Giant Lantern Festival Foundation Incorporated. Panimuna na pong ningkarelang presidente ay Mr. Franco de Jesus.
Let's give a big hand to all the hardworking executive committee members of the Giant Lantern Festival. Yan lang po ang maibabayad natin sa kanila, kaya palakpakan po natin. At ngayon naman, ipapakilala ko sa inyo ang mga working committee members ng Giant Lantern Festival 2023, starting with our Invitation Reception Food and Refreshment Committee led by Councilor Rosemary Kalimlim.
For the Finance, Procurement, and Resource Mobilization Committee, Chairpersons Engineer Nelson Lingat and Engineer Michael Quizon Jr.
Our Sponsorship Committee led by Tito Robbie Hizon.
For the Souvenir Program, Chairperson Joanna Ning Cordero.
Our Media Promotion and Accreditation Committee headed by the PIA Regional Director William Beltran.
For our Judges Committee, it is headed by Miss Agnes Romero.
Of course, our Program Awards and Prizes Committee is headed by none other than Mr. Jody Mercado.
For the Barangay Accreditation and Regulatory Committee, its chairperson is Mr. Hil Pamandana.
Thank you so much to our Physical Arrangement Committee this year, headed by Engineer Alvin Y. Mendoza.
For the Tabulation Committee, Dakal Salamat, headed by Mr. Mark Jason Veran.
Our Public Health, Security, Safety, and Traffic Committee is headed by Dr. Weng Salas.
And For the Trade and Food Fair Committee, it is headed by Chairperson, Provincial Director Elenita Ordoño of DTI Pampanga.
Salamat to our Waste Management Committee led by Ms. Gemma Doble.
And for the Intercommercial Establishment Christmas Decor Competition, its Chairperson, Mr. Marco Hizon.
For the Inter-School Lantern Parade competition, thank you so much to Dr. Ding Zapanta of DepEd City Schools Division of San Fernando.
For the Inter-Village Christmas Decor Competition, its Chairperson, Mr. Joselito Mangune.
And finally, thank you so much to our Intergovernment Agency Christmas Decor Competition Committee led by the President of Claro, Regional Director May Eclar of DepEd Region 3. At syempre, Jody, this Giant Lantern will not be possible without the support of our Giant Lantern Festival Executive Committee, spearheaded by our chairperson for this year, the President of CLTV 36, Ms. Sonia P. Soto. Let us give a round of applause to Tita Sonia for her welcome remarks.
Bayon sa bla. Paborenyong pugayan ko lareng ganaganang ginusal. Bang kanita malaw siyang ligligan parol ngening 2023. Ing lokala kapanibalan, lalam ning liderato ng Mayora Vilma Caluan at Vice Alcalde BJ Lagman, kambeda rin sa Blang Konsihal at mga sipag at talapagobra ning LGU na pamuntukaning Administrador Nelson Linga. Pupugayan ko la naman rin kayabe ko ken GLF 2023 Executive Committee, Barangay Captains, Lantern Makers, Giant Lantern Festival Foundation, reng sablang memye ambag ang timong sponsor at reng misaup-saup karing apulong barangay para mayari laking oras deng mga santing a iganting parul amiligligan ngening kabengyan. Maya pa oras po ke kayungan. Ing tagumpening ligligan parul banwa-banwa keti siyudad San Fernando, metong yang masalang ebidensya ning pamisaupanan ning gobyerno at pribadong sektor. Ing sangkap aawsan tamong public-private partnership, iyang pamialiwan ning ligligan parul kumpara kareng aliwang festival. Niyaduangan lareng pribadong sektor at gobyerno, bang kanita maging masayaya in Pasko. Paulagan tutuing misinja lareng parol pablasang ilang simbolo ning Pasko na magdalang tulat pag-asa kareng sablang tao. Pasalamatan ko rin kay katamong bisita, lalo na rin huradong many batanmialiwang bansa at institusyon. To all our esteemed judges, special guests and visitors from all over the Philippines and the world, welcome to the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, home of the Giant Lanterns. Kapamilatan na rin kayabe tamo keng media, ayal bending ligligan parul maski panuka rin lakete king yato. Deng mimiwas ken traffic at virus, ayal bende ken TV ing ligligan parul, kapamilataning CLTV 36. Mas malino at masala nepo kumpara kareng milabasa na banwa keng TV, pablasang full digital nepo ing CLTV 36 ngening Disyembre. Metong kareng kapag nasantamo ing laluya pansikan, ing kaya katamong lantern industry keti San Fernando at mabilog alalawigan Kapampangan. Sana, mas dakal la parokyano din kaya katamong magtindang parol San Fernando, kay ba't dalang ikit asintingan at lagu, din kaya katamong parol agawa San Fernando, Pampanga. Ing paninap ko, dakal la pa rin kaya naka na manigaral gawang parol, at lalo lang dakal deng obrang kailanganan tamo keng lantern industry. Paninap ko na sana reng dekorasyon dareng nialiwang syudad mabilog a Pilipinas, manibata na la Sanando, at sana dakal la rin bansang dasnan dareng tamo. Sika niya sigurado yung ekonomiya ng San Fernando isong metupad ing paninap ko. Ing tradisyon na ning pamangawang parul keti may gitneng dinala na banwa. Nanumaning kasakitan at amo na dinatang keng kekatamong syudad at probinsya, alitaya linele, pablasang impasko, partina nene katamong kultura. Si Bayo Yakupoy Sonia P. Soto, Chairperson ng Giant Lantern Festival 2023 Executive Committee. Masayang Pasko at masaplalang bayong banwa kekongan. Dakal asalamat po.
Dakal pong salamat, Miss Sonia P. Soto.
Ngayon naman, Jody, let us listen to the festival message of our very hardworking and ever beautiful City Mayor of the City of San Fernando, the Honorable Vilma Balye Caluwag.
Masayang ligligan ding parul.
Isang makakayabing araw po sa ating lahat. Sa pagdating po ng panahon ng Kapaskuhan ngayong Disyembre, ay muling may papakita ang galing at talento ng mga Fernandino at may pagmamalaki ang makulay na kultura at istorya ng siyudad San Fernando sa pamamagitan ng biggest, brightest, and most colorful Christmas event, ang Giant Lantern Festival. Patuloy pong pinatingkad pa ng ating administrasyon ang mga Christmas lanterns, lights at decorations natin sa daan at iba't ibang pampublikong lugar. Hindi natin pinabayaan ang sektor ng parol makers kung saan nanggagaling ang galing at inspirasyon para sa makukulay nating disenyo ngayong Pasko. At muli rin nating pinalaki ang budget para sa iba't ibang barangay kasama ang kanilang lantern makers na sasali at lalahok sa tanyag na Giant Lantern Competition. Nakahanda na rin po ang lokal na pamahalaan ng San Fernando upang siguraduhin na maging ligtas, payapa at masaya ang GLF 2023 sa tulong ng Kapulisan, Bureau of Fire and Protection at iba't ibang departamento ng siyudad San Fernando. Sa mga hakbang na ating pinamumunuan ay sinisigurado po natin na patuloy na makikilala ang Parol Fernandino at ang siyudad San Fernando. Hindi lamang bilang Christmas capital ng Pilipinas, kundi sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo bilang simbolo ng masaya at makabuluhang selebrasyon ng Kapaskuhan. Tayo po ay magkita-kita para saksihan at makiisa sa Giant Lantern Festival. Maraming salamat po.
Ligan ding mga lagong parul. May mali nilang pagmaragul.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor Vilma Balye Caluwag.
At this point, Jody, let's find out about our criteria and contest rules. We will be having 3 rounds in our competition. For the first round, keng mo munang round, tunggal-tunggal lang palto galing ang pangsanting din kaya katamong parul, king kilubning 7 minutes. In round 1, each of the contestants has 7 minutes to showcase their beautiful lanterns. This time, Jody, they have chosen the specific music of their barangay for the first round of competition.
And the music were remixed by our very own DJ Clue na taga San Jose, Ketipo City of San Fernando. Kaya naman pong round 2, pipit nandala po rin apulong parul king atlong grupo, dinandalang 3 minuto ring bawat grupo king karelang presentation. In round 2, the contestants or the participating barangays will be divided into 3 groups. Each group will have a 4-minute presentation.
And of course, the third round of our competition, king tataluling round, apin po ing agnan-agnan lang mag-showdown ding apolong giant lanterns, antimong traditional aligligan parol anyang minunang panahon. In the last round, all of the participants will have a showdown in a span of 5 minutes to the tune of a live brass band, as in the olden days, Jody.
Yes, I still remember the initial Giant Lantern festivals were in the old market, or new public market, the area of the new public market, na rin kay mo si Kustamo ilapan patigtig kanita.
Tama ka dyan, Jody, no? Napaghahalita yung edad natin kasi naabutan ko pa sa old public market, sa Paskuhan Village.
Yes, the former Paskuhan Village. And syempre, ngeni, makibaluan tayo po in criteria for judging. Each of the giant lanterns will be judged according to the following. Interplay of lights and color with music of first round, 20%. Order and sequence in the interplay of lights and colors. Fluidity of transitions, interpretation of the musical piece. Interplay of lights and color with music of the second round and third round, 20%. group order and sequence in the interplay of lights and colors, and fluidity of transitions, interpretation of the musical piece.
Design will make up another 20%. This refers to the total and sectoral impact of the design, harmony, organization, and beauty of the overall design, delineation, and definition of the design. Color combination adds another 20%, which refers to the harmony, unity, and integrity of colors, overall as well as sectoral visual impact of colors and hues, and the aesthetic effect of the overall design.
X Factor, 10%. Uniqueness of the lantern, special features, and appeal to the crowd. Lastly, decorum, 10%. Compliance set by the committee for a total of 100%. And ngayon po, kilalanan tala. Let us introduce to you our Board of Judges for this year's Giant Lantern Festival.
I don't envy their place tonight, Jody, because they will be having a tough time deciding as to who the new champion will be. But first on our list is a consultant of the Basis Conversion and Development Authority. Let's give a warm Kapampangan welcome to retired Major General Arnel Duco, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Ing tutukita mo pong judge, metong niya pong fashionista, ang pong artist, at pagmaragol tayo pong Kapampangan, Miss Cynthia Gueco.
Our third judge is the Chief Executive Officer of the Philippine Retirement Authority, the ever-gorgeous Honorable Cynthia Lagdameo Carrion.
Maragol pong karangalan na akayabe tayo pong yeni as judge, ing Apostolic Nuncio to the Philippines, His Excellency, the Most Reverend Charles John Brown, D.D.
Our fifth judge is the former Chancellor of the University of the Philippines, Baguio, and the co-chairperson of the Creative Baguio City Council. Let's give a warm round of applause to Dr. Raimundo R.R. Rovillos.
Ing tutukita mo pong judge, Yapin E. Head of Consular Office, naning Regional Consular Office sa puning Department of Foreign Affairs, Kempong Marquimol, Angeles City, Yapin po'y Attorney Roel Garcia.
To complete our roster of judges is a lead advocate of modern architecture and design. Let's give a big round of applause to renowned Filipino architect, Architect Royal Pineda. Palakpakan tala po ng kakatamong distinguished Board of Judges.
Oy, Ninang Panayan Tamo! Makasadya na kayo! Are you ready? Ko po daramdaman, makasadya na ko po! Agnan tayo pong alben, ing round 1 na ning ligligang parul. Muna ya pong makiligligan, ing Barangay Santo Niño.
Sabi ko, hanggat pwede, palagi tamo makyabe, banta itang tradisyon kin, ang mawala, kem baryumi, ang po pa syudad.
Tema ng niya ni Mami, itong aking pagtong kombinasyon kayong kulay, Mama, at saka ang maglagiya, Mama. Kasi miyabi ka kayong Giant Lantern Festival, wala po sinabu na, Mama. Kasi po rin kayo, madalang lang pong bakyabi rin tayo.
Aliwa mo po kitang tradisyon, manyaman pa mo rin daramdaman itang manyambut siya po yung Giant Lantern na po ng Barangay Santo Niño.
Go, 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 Santo Niño! Barangay Santo Niño, Barangay Captain Honorable Janino Padilla, Lantern Maker Leslie Bondok, Head Electrician Joe Christian Pingul, Rotor Maker Alberto Bondok, Assistant Electrician Amor Casilang.
Barangay Santo Niño, are you ready? Please give us a signal. Ready na ang Barangay Santo Niño? Albentana po, ring, mga santinga kislap parol na ring San Fernando in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And we go a little something like this. Hit it, hit it.
Baby, come to me. Let me put my arms around you. This was meant to be. And I'm also glad I found you. Need you every day. Gotta have your love around me, baby. Always stay. 'Cause I can't go back to living without you. When I'm down, you can bring me up. Up, 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 up. And when I'm hurt, you know I don't need much. You can use that magic touch. When I'm down, you can bring me up. Up, 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 up. And when I'm hurt, you know I don't need much. You can use that magic touch. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me tell you. 2, 3, 4, hit it. You my little boo thing, so I'll give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell 'em I'm next. Tell 'em you find a little something too fresh, I know. Oh, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, oh, you got the best of mine. Oh, oh, and that's alright.
1, 2, 3, we're rolling.
Drop it to the floor, drop it to the floor then. Now lean in. Turn around it. Turn around it. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Play daylight. Turn around it. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle. Play daylight. Now let me see you rock. So you had to do it like that. Got the lady taking it. Looking like they breaking it. Breaking it. Now let me see you rock. By the rivers of Babylon, they'll be set down everywhere. When we remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, they'll be set down
rhythms of the night. The chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the bass and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. A backless dress and some beat-up sneaks. My discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Oh, come on, girl. Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
10, 9, 8,
Shut up and
7,
dance with me.
6, 5, 4,
Shut up and dance with me.
2, 1.
Salamat, Barangay Santo Niño, our entry number 1, led by Barangay Captain Janino Padilla and Lantern Maker Leslie Bondok. At ngayon naman, magkaingeya naman ang tutukita mong contestant ng Barangay Telabastagan.
Muna, tradisyon ng San Fernando, si Sesengke. Kasi, yung Telabastagan, iya pamurin ng kain na pasayaya at paltoyang bayo pamurin.
Yung advantage mi, uling sabi ko, pintang yearly, manera kayong pagad dyan, sundin-dundin barangay Telabastagan, medyo kakaibahan eh. Balo datin yung alumang pasabog.
Mas digdagan kayo nung makanano lang may ka-recover ng tao. Nakiturin. Then paruming mitata. Atin lang boses. Maragulang boses din, maragulang parol eh.
Akit siya nung makanano yung pasibayo tang palto ng nagkakatamong parol. Siguradong may kaswelo kayo.
Kaya Pasko, akit yung Barangay Telabastagan.
Barangay Telabastagan, Barangay Captain Honorable Elmer Manguera, Lantern Maker Arnel Flores, Head Electrician Ronald Aguilar, Rotor Maker Jeremiah Balboa, Assistant Electrician Ener Nicdao.
Barangay Telabastagan, are you ready? Magkaingena ka, paslag mo na la in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2, 3, 4.
The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. So what can I do? I really value my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in and sing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit of Tina's what I see, a little bit of Sandra in the sun, a little bit of Mary all night long, a little bit of Jessica, here I am, a little bit of you makes me your man.
my love is all for you. Every day, spending all this money just to make me stay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you very much. That was truly wonderful workmanship from Lantern Maker Arnel Flores and Barangay Captain Elmer Manguera of Barangay Telabastagan. At syempre, ngayon naman, magpapakitang gilas, abangan natin ang Barangay San Juan Nepomuceno.
Ing Janlan Festival, maragulyang bagi karang may mari. Bala mo itang magimisan metong la para mabuo yung metong nga parol. So kailangan makiusap kaya kung na naman yung kaya ngayon yung panahon, kakayang ko itapapalto kayong parol ko. Yung tema na ning parol ko ngayon yung banwa, siyempre, unang-muna, magpasalamat sa aking babo. Tapos, ingkay, datangan simbolo na ng Pasko.
Ako po, lagi ko po sabihan, ing meto nga makihabi kayong paliksaan, kayong Cortez, panyambot siya po paning kukunan ko.
Champion last year, winner pa rin this year, Barangay San Juan.
Barangay San Juan, Barangay Captain Honorable Claro Tolentino, Lantern Maker Mark Niño Flores, Head Electrician John Luigi Flores, Rotor Maker Arnold Flores, Assistant Electrician Ian Dave Tizon.
Will you be again number 1, Barangay San Juan? Are you? Yes! Are you ready? Albentane po yung Barangay San Juan in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
같단다. can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you.
Lights, camera, action. I see you looking at my PIC. 그게 땡겨 땡겨 좀 더 땡겨 봐봐 기도 차지. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Baby 확하게 확대 확실하게
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games.
Come Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Blitzen, all his reindeer pulling along the rain. Bells are ringing, children singing, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Merry Christmas.
1.
That was truly a very Merry Christmas from Barangay San Juan. Thank you so much, Lantern Maker Mark Niño Flores and Barangay Captain Claro Tolentino.
What do you expect from the defending champion, Ching? But up next, we will have Barangay Santa Lucia.
Santa Lucia from late 1960s pa yata. Di daddy ko pa, o pare lolo ko ilang makipag-compete kang Giant. Kang generation, di kami namin yung dungen.
Kaya mamigin parol, tungkol yaking Pasko. Ating kempal to na Santa Claus. Basta dakal kempal to. Lalo mi pang samas nan kaya kaming gawa banta apag maragol din kaya kaming parol Barangay Santa Lucia.
Pinuna, from 2010, mag-umpisa niyang kagawad ko, may katadwa na kami mag-champion. Yearly, naman mamo ko kayong runner-up. Kaya kaming Giant Lantern.
Barangay Santa Lucia, Barangay Captain Honorable Ronald David, Lantern Maker Byron Bondok, Head Electrician Joseph Salak, Rotor Maker Allen Joseph Kiwa, Assistant Electrician Mark Umali.
You will never lose, Barangay Santa Lucia. Are you ready? Give us a signal. All right, let the showdown begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mumble number 5. One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talking cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really value my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in me singing the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita's all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see. A little bit of Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me your man. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
very much, Barangay Santa Lucia, led by Barangay Captain Roland David and Lantern Maker Byron Bondok.
Up next, we will have Barangay San Jose.
Pioneering San Jose. Pangay Mekiabe, medyo dulong ko lang naman rin kabaryo mo. Alalangga ng Manalbe, parang ako ng manabuan, umanyali na akong kuryente, sarili ko ng pera. Ikari may sakitan. Yan, kung makagawa kang paralan, gawa kang paralan. Kaya siguro, ita sigurong maski tutunan, maski kami nakitan, ita saya siguro, itan saya ning pamakyabe mo. Tradition.
Ing parol ning San Jose, malaguyang tune. Go, go, go!
Barangay San Jose, Barangay Captain Honorable Loreto Tuma, Lantern Maker Rolando Ambrosio, Head Electrician Jafer Ambrosio, Rotor Maker Harold Asuncion, Assistant Electrician Nicole de Guzman.
Barangay San Jose, are you ready? Give us a signal. Magpasiklab na ka Barangay San Jose in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
again. Back once again. Back once again.
From Barangay San Jose.
Are you ready?
Barangay San Jose.
Thank you very much, and what a comeback for Barangay San Jose's Barangay Captain Loreto Tumang and Lantern Maker Roland Ambrosio.
Tutugita mo buong participating barangay, yapin po, Barangay del Pilar.
Yearly, darating yung Giant Lantern Festival. Masaya ako. Mayang ko panandaman kung gagawa ko parol. Gawa ko na ako yung best ko, tangagyo kong gawan. Expect na mo po, unexpected man tanan. Proud po yung Barangay del Pilar na pagmaragod kaya po, na sana pag-champion ko. Hopefully.
Go, go, go! Barangay del Pilar!
Barangay del Pilar, Barangay Captain Honorable Jerry Canlas, Lantern Maker June Batak, Head Electrician Adalberto Batak, Rotor Maker Eduardo Dizon.
Barangay del Pilar, are you ready? Give us a signal. Makiligligan niya po in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Juan.
Thank you so much, Barangay Del Pilar. And that was such a debut from Lantern Maker Jun Batak and Barangay Captain Jerry Canlas. It's the first time for Jun Batak to be the giant lantern maker for his home barangay of Del Pilar.
Ang susunod na barangay po, ang Barangay San Nicolas.
Tradisyon na po kaya kami yan eh. Sa Burimi, lagi kami makapampasayang tao.
Hindi pa kami aking idea kung saan yung masanting, saan yung masuras. And then, ipiyabi-yabi nila, iyan gawan mitang idea ang masanting. Siyempre, kami panikuanin yung masanting, unique, kakaiba, Ebril, manalawaya piyalong, huli, music. Ito, gagalang masanting idea gagawan mi.
At kami pasabog na mas magula la. Na eda ikit kantan last year, ngeni akid da. Na siguradong saya at mabigla la rin kaya katama naldo.
Barangay San Nicolas, Barangay Captain Honorable Jerwin Sembrano, Lantern Maker Edmar David, Head Electrician Edwin David Jr., Rotor Maker Angelica David.
Barangay San Nicolas, ready na ka? Paslag ka ba nung ready na ka? Give us a signal. Wow! Albentane po yung Barangay San Nicolas in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Jesus, born on this day, He is the King of nations.
Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air and dance to the beat. Put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air, put your hands up in the air and dance to the beat.
Angelina, baby, please, please, baby, be mine. Angelina, do your cha-cha, forget about the time. Sign your name across my heart. I ain't that smart. Angelina, ready, steady, start. We can cha-cha in the night, cha-cha till two. And if you cha-cha me, I have to cha-cha you. Angelina, Angelina, you're my sweet señorita. Angelina, 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 be my señorita. Everybody shake your body.
Now we're gonna try it really slow. Ready? Yeah! Are we gonna go faster? Yeah!
3, 2,
At syempre, ayan naman fatal in Barangay San Nicolas. Thank you very much, Barangay Captain Jerwin Sembrano and Lantern Maker Edmar David.
Tutugita ang barangay Yapin ing Barangay Calulut.
Yan yung bayangin ng bagya. Last year, halos repair yan kasi kaya yan nemalat yung dito. Yan yung pinuling panelang mag-entry, lalo dating bigdagan ng karelang suporta ng parol.
So sabi ko, Teddy, makanyan man ako, itanggewa mo kanito sabat, dapat doblen mo, pero dobling suportahan mo. Kaya makipag-compete talaga na. Ita mong akit demo, itang lagyuning Calulut, Kenny, na talagang susuportan biya, talagang suporta, binyemi. Lalo itang pakikwanan mi, kitang tradisyon and culture.
Barangay Calulut, Barangay Captain Honorable Jaime Capil, Lantern Maker Teddy Aguilar, Head Electrician Juanito Galang, Rotor Maker Eugene Aguilar.
Barangay Calulut, are you ready? Let's watch Barangay Calulut in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, baby, do you know that's what? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place. open, where no disguise for me. Come into the open, when it's cold outside, am I here in bed? Hold on to the night, there will be no change. Always I wanna be with you and make believe with you and live in harmony, harmony, all love. I wanna be with you and make believe with you and live in harmony, harmony, all love. So this is Christmas. What have you done? Another year over, and you won't just begun. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope it's a good one without any fear.
Arriba con los brazos, vamos, vamos.
El ritmo fatal. La bomba. Alarma. Sígueme.
distance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not?
That was really so exquisite coming from Lantern Maker Teddy Aguilar and of course, Barangay Captain Jing Capil of Barangay Calulut. Salamat po kay kayo.
Ing tutugita mong parul, yapining Barangay Dolores.
Banwa-banwa, mas masanting kita bibiyeta mo kasi kita milabas. Kaya po na banwa-banwa, lalo yung sasaya yung GLF. Sana po patuloy ka pong sumuporta kay kami at saka sana po ayang garis na kayo rin po na mabiyasa.
Itong in parol, para gulya gastos, masanting yan. Pero itong buri may talagang manyambot, pigastusan me. Kaya makaing gagawan niyo. So, ngayon pagpanta mo po, sutama kitang 1, 2, 3, baka masayala po ng taga Barangay Dolores.
Go Fighting Barangay Dolores! Woo!
Barangay Dolores, Barangay Captain Honorable Alan Pacho, Lantern Maker, Marcelino Ambrosio, Head Electrician, Maricel Maglalang, Rotor Maker, Robin Serrano, Assistant Electrician, Adonis Camiling.
Barangay Dolores, are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Okay. If you're ready, let's do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. The thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring, snowing and blowing the bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.
love you. Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.
Umpisa na ang laban.
Barangay Dolores, mukhang maganda rin ang tandem ni Barangay Captain Alan Pacho and Lantern Maker Marcelino Ambrosio.
Last but not the least, ito na si Barangay Bulaon.
Kami naman, halos balang bayani yan niya rin. Para kareng tao Bulaon, pating agit. Dati ating keng dita kagimik ngayon eh, buremi pialong yangan, buremi paltom yangan yung parol yan talaga.
Kaya every year naman yung kanako budget ang ke. Anya kayo magkasagit. Biyami invest me para kaming manikwa keng pers.
Barangay Bulaon! Barangay Bulaon, Barangay Captain Honorable Laverny Gopez, Lantern Maker Florante Parilla, Head Electrician Jaime Manaloto, Rotor Maker Christopher Doloiras.
Barangay Bulaon, are you ready? Please give us a signal. Let's show them that you're the best in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That
my heart goes sha la 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 la, sha la la in the morning. Sha la 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 la, sha la la in the sunshine. Sha la 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 la, sha la la in the evening. Sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, just for you. For the first round of our Giant Lantern Festival competition. Thank you very much, Barangay Captain Isik Gopez of Barangay Bulaon, together with Lantern Maker Dante Padilla.
Ngayon naman at chuta na po keng second round nung nuko rin by groups po in Karelang Showdown.
Of course, Jody, this is just the start of the Lantern Showdown, the real Ligligang Parul. Because in Kapampangan, Ligligang Parul means Lantern Showdown. And for the second round of the competition, we've actually grouped the lanterns by 3s and 4. So in the first round, in the first part rather, we will be having the lanterns of Santo Niño, Telabastagan, and Barangay San Juan. So let's check if our lanterns are ready. Give us a signal. Barangay Santo Niño, are you ready for round 2? How about Barangay Telabastagan? Game na. And lastly, Barangay San Juan, give us a signal. And that was such a big smile from Barangay San Juan.
Heto na ang Group 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Tunay kang makamala.
at katanda ko ate, iligang panulhi ang makalimutin.
Tayo na giliw, magsalo na tayo. Mayroon na tayong tinapay at keso.
Ibang noche buena sa gabing ito.
At bukas ay araw ng Pasko.
Islat na dining parol, parol Fernandino, kaming amang kayo. Kinapit na dining parol, ikain parol Fernandino.
Thank you very much, Barangay Santo Niño, Telabastagan, and San Juan for that amazing showdown for the round 2 of our competition.
For the second round, albenta na ring Barangay Santa Lucia, Barangay San Jose, Barangay del Pilar, at Barangay San Nicolas. Second group, are you ready, Barangay Santa Lucia? Barangay San Jose, Barangay del Pilar, and Barangay San Nicolas. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Ang aming pag-ibig, magandang Pasko. At naghihintay sa final ninyo. Kung sakali naman din ninyo gusto, huwag lang sanang itatapon sa inyong aso.
Obat mo kitang Sabado, ipasyal ko kita kay kayo. Inyang apat tiyawan ko, pepatagal mo pong aso.
Imdapin, patagal ka, karetang asong de pamilya. Balhanit na makilala, ang tunay mong pamagpinta.
O nung mong mete,
Kuripot ang inom ko, at ginagong piso. Sabing sumakit ang kanyang ulo. At ginagong piso, naputput ang uso ko. 10 beses akong pinagmano. Ay naku, ninong, ay nalugi pa ako. Sa patay, sa pagpunta sa inyo. Ay naku, ninong, kung laging ganyan kayo, ay di na uli ako mamamatay.
That was really very exciting, Judy. At second cluster pa lang yan. So thank you so much, Barangay San Jose, Barangay Santa Lucia, Barangay del Pilar, and Barangay San Nicolas.
And for the last group, Oreni ring Barangay Calulut, Barangay Dolores, At Barangay Bulaon, are you ready? Barangay Calulut, Dolores, and Bulaon. Here we go for the last group in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Neng simpang bengi, maranon niya Isabel, uling ding suki na, maninin to nande, nanyaman malasa, itang bibingka na, nyapin puding tao baryo, may kasamal nala. Hey, jingle bells, suki ng Isabel, bibingka at puto kanya mandang tuto. Hey, jingle bells, suki ng Isabel, hayari na ing misa keni na takman yo. Oy, bale. Sintana. Oras na. Indotana. Dalangin sa rapo ta sipon ka. Para magsimbang bengitana. Siguraduhan kung kay baking bisa. Sa bilitan tayo iabunte. Salita mong espasol bibika. Putulong mong at sumabulan ka.
I love you, Papa. Wow. Mumunang maldoning Pasko, binyena ning jowa ko, paruling San Fernando. Kadwang maldoning Pasko, binyena ning jowa ko, ebon ning minalin. Eh, naman na yan, at paruling San Fernando. Kadwang maldoning Pasko, binyena ning jowa ko, ayop ning kandaba. Bird, burikeyan, ebon ning minaling, at paruling San Fernando. Kapataldo ning Pasko, binyena ning jowa ko, bukit ning guagwa, ayok ning kandaba, ebon ning minalin, at paruling San Fernando. Kalimang maldo ning Pasko, binyena ning jowa ko, malas ning pora. Bidot na kakuming apuning bukit gat no kakuling, bang nila ko kano palit ko.
Thank you very much for that awesome performance from our last cluster, Barangays Calulut, Dolores, and Barangay Bulaon. And that completes the second round of our competition for tonight.
Pero ngeni naman, papagpainawan tala pa mo po, rin kaya katabong Giant Lanterns. We will give them a few minutes of rest. Bayo po ing panayan tamong showdown. Kabang parim lang tala po, ding parol tamo, albentaya pa mo po ing cultural performance sa Pigsadyan na ning University of the Assumption Corral, palakpakan tala po.
And of course, Jody, tonight we are happy that people are celebrating with us, no, and greeting us from all over the Philippines. But first, from on the ground, we'd like to greet a very happy birthday to Daddy Caloy de Guzman, who's celebrating his 70th birthday. The dad of Architect Royal Pineda, one of our judges. Happy birthday po, Tito Caloy, and many years pa for you and good health. Ayan. Yung mga nasa team bahay dyan, we'd like to greet you all and thank you for joining us and supporting our Giant Lantern Festival. Huwag po kayong magsasawa kasi mapapanood nyo pa ang Giant Lantern Festival every night from December 17 to January 1st right here at Robinson Star Mills, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga's best festivals.
Numburiyo ang pasibayong ILBN, manibat bukas hanggang January 1, 2024. Imagine, hanggang next year, ILBN mo ring Giant Lantern Festival Tamo, Kenikeng Robinson Star Mills, Pampanga.
And now, let's give a big hand to the cultural performers from the University of the Assumption Choral.
Palakpakan tala po! Last song.
Kaling-waning sigalutan, luklukaning pisasabihan, ibabala ring almas, mikawul tamungan.
Kasanting mayayakin, tumating malasakit, luburan rin kapwa mo, agyang alimpas mo.
Ibuklat ning puso mo, karing kaparang mong tao, tunay diwanan ning pasto, ikalugot, ikasundo. Sasanme kung tamo, ikakalugot tamo, marating kapayapan, ampon kanawan. Sasanme kung tamo, iyabe-abe tamo, manatiling lubos, tinggalang neto, kaulingin Pasko. Kaling-waning sigalutan, luklukaning pisasabihan, ibabala ring almas, mikawul tamungan.
Kasanting mayayakin, tumating malasakit, luburan rin kapwa mo, agyang alimpas mo.
Ibuklat ning puso mo, karing kaparang mong tao, tunay diwanan ning Pasko, ikalugot, ikasundo. Sasanme kung tamo, ikakalugot tamo, marating kapayapan, ampon kanawan. Sasanme kung tamo, iyabe-abe tamo, manatiling lubos, tinggalang neto, kaulingin Pasko. Kanyamaning bukas, nasalaing aslagan, itatalnanan naman, akong itamungan. Sasanme kung tamo, ikakalugot tamo, manatiling kapayapan, ampon kanawan. Sasanme kung tamo, iyabe-abe tamo, manatiling lubos, tinggalang neto, kaulingin Pasko. Kaulingin Pasko.
Thank you very much to the University of the Assumption Chorale under the baton of Kuya Joseph Erwin Limpin for that beautiful rendition of Kapampangan Christmas songs.
We would like to acknowledge first our Honorable City Mayor Vilma Balye Calua. Palakpakan tayo po yung Mayor Vilma Balye Calua.
And thank you so much also for joining us tonight to our dear Regional Director of the Department of Tourism Region 3, Dr. Richard Dainos.
Palakpakan tayo po yung Dr. Dainos. Kayabe tayo naman po ngayon yung Vice President ng PhilHealth Region 3, is Sir Henry V. Almaron.
So thank you so much to all who have come and joined us for this evening. And this time around, we shall be looking back at our tradition. Balikdan tamo po ang minunang tradisyon ng festival nung nuka rin deng musikus or brass band ilang kayantabe daring parol karing limbon. As a tribute to the early days of the festival, during which brass bands accompanied the lanterns on the nightly processions, the Lumanog Band 48, under the baton of Professor Edwin Lumanog, will provide the musical accompaniment for the third round. And this is it, Jody. This is the real Ligligang Parol or Lantern Showdown.
Ang ibig pong sabihin, narito na ang round 3, ang Ligligang Parol. Buri yun na po nga, Elben. Ako po daramdaman. Nung makanyan, Albentano ang puring. Participating barangays ngayon pong GLF 2023. King Karelang Round 3, Ligligang Parol Style Traditional Showdown. In 5,
4,
3, 2,
2,
1.
you so much. Palakpakan talapureng higanting parol ng Ciudad San Fernando. And congratulations to all our lantern makers for that very amazing and wonderful performance in the third round. At nakalasalamat din, Professor Edwin Lumanog and Betty's Band 48.
Manog
Jones.
Band 48.
Yes. Jones, alam mo, how I wish all our family and friends who are watching at home and in other provinces and abroad, how I wish you were all here with us tonight here at Robinson Star Mills. Iba talaga ang Pasko dito sa atin.
Pero Ching, ding judges tamo, I'm sure, magkasakit lang mamili nining maging champion tamo nyening banwang iti.
And while we await the results of tonight's competition, we shall be awarding the different winners in the competitions related to the Giant Lantern Festival. At this point, Jody, we will be recognizing the winners in the inter. At this point, Jody, we will be recognizing the winners in the
Award naman po in Hino, Pampanga.
And the most colorful award goes to Coca-Cola Pampanga.
Deta pong inawos mi, tinanggap na pong siya 5,000 pesos ang pong trophy. Ngayon po, ausan tala po keng stage ring menyang po ting major awards. Team presenters tamo po. Yapin Puri.
Our presenters are Mayor Vilma Caluwag, GLF Chairperson Sonia Soto, joined by our co-chairpersons Alvin Mendoza and Nanita Garcia. We also have with us our Inter-Commercial Establishment Christmas Decor Competition Chairperson, Cortez.
Alright, mag-umpisa tamo po. King Best Christmas Decor for Small Scale Retailers. The award goes to Antigo Cafe and Bistro.
Congratulations to Antigo Cafe and Bistro. Our next awardee is the Best Christmas Decor for Large Scale Retailers. And this year's Best Christmas Decor goes to Hyundai Pampanga. Congratulations to our winner for the Best Christmas Decor for Large Scale Retailers. Napaka-exciting nito, Jody, kasi talagang mafe-feel mo na Paskong Pasko sa San Fernando dahil nakikisama yung mga businesses natin sa pagde-decorate nila tuwing Kapaskuhan. And for this year, the theme used recycled or indigenous materials. Again, congratulations to our winners for the Best Christmas Decor for Small-Scale Retailers, Antigo Cafe and Bistro, and Best Christmas Decor for Large-Scale Retailers, Hyundai Pampanga. Up next, we shall be announcing our Best Christmas Decor for Food Services and Contractors, as well as the Best Christmas Decor for the Manufacturing Cluster. Again, congratulations to our winners in the Inter-Commercial Establishments Christmas Decor Competition.
Excited na ka na.
Yes, I'm so excited, Jody. Kanina pa, I've been so giddy the whole night. And I'm really glad that I get to host this again with you. After 15 years, my dear friend and classmate, Jody. Parang high school feels lang, no?
Kapulang katawari, tauling may host ken Giant Lantern Festival, Ching.
2009, that was 15 festivals ago.
So ngini, pasalamat ko kaya beda kang pasibayong mag-host ken Giant Lantern Festival. Pero syempre, den tutukita mong awardees ni Nuna Laila.
Let's announce our winner for the Best Christmas Decor for Food Services and Contractors. Let's give a big hand to Susie's Cuisine, Sindalan. Congratulations to Susie's Cuisine. Lahat po ng winners natin sa competition na ito ay magkakamit ng 20,000 pesos plus a trophy from the Giant Lantern Festival Executive Committee.
Balamotsing, we have so many things to thank for today. Yesterday,
It was raining.
it was raining.
When we were doing the tech run.
Habang mag-practice kaya po napon, minuran.
And then our supplier said they had to let the equipment dry. Baka
Kailangan da
makuryente
pa mong
sila.
palangyan ng equipment, gana-gana pati puring parul, may basala naman po napon. Pero Ching, dakal may nga di.
That's
Dakal may nga
right.
di kareng Kapampangan, dakal
That's
may nga
right.
di kareng Fernandino. Nanong giyawa mo, Ching?
Thank you so much to our dear sisters at the St. Clair Monastery there at Betis, Pampanga. So, 9 days before the festival, it has been the tradition of our execom to visit our St. Clair sisters at Santa Ursula. At syempre, kaninang umaga, Jody, the first thing I did was to go back to St. Clair. And may namit ako na isang madre kanina and I asked her to specifically pray for our Giant Lantern. And I'm glad that, you know, the Giant Lantern Festival have come a long way from its religious origin, the Lubenas. Pero the lanterns tonight are still a proof and a testament not only of Kapampangan creativity and craftsmanship, but how deep our faith is as Kapampangans. Kaya I think for that, Jody, we all deserve a big round of applause. Palakpakan po natin ang mga Kapampangan at ang mga Fernandinos. Talagang nakakamangha ang ipinapakita nilang kagalingan at pananampalataya sa taunang ligligang parol. And now we shall be awarding the Best Christmas Decor for Manufacturing. And this year's awardee is none other than Coca-Cola Pampanga. Congratulations to Coca-Cola Pampanga, our awardee for this year's Best Christmas Decor. So just to recap, Jody, yung mga nanalo for this year's Inter-Commercial Establishments Christmas Decor Competition, yung po mga nasa Team Bahay, Team YouTube at Team Facebook, please be patient, no? Dahil we want to recognize and give acknowledgement sa lahat ng mga sumali sa Giant Lantern Festival. Kanya, again, we will be reviewing the winners for the Inter-Christmas Decor Competition. Best Christmas Decor for Small Scale Retailers, Antigo Cafe and Bistro. Best Christmas Decor for Large Scale Retailers, Hyundai Pampanga.
Kabang Best Christmas Decor for Food Services and Contractors. May paintagon naman ka ako yung food. Susie's Cuisine, Sindalan.
And lastly, Best Christmas Decor for Manufacturing, Coca-Cola Pampanga. This time around, Jody, we will be announcing the winners for the Inter-Village Christmas Decor Contest. And our presenters still are the Honorable Vilma Caluwag, Miss Sonia Soto, Miss Nanita Garcia, and Engineer Alvin Mendoza, together with the chairperson for the Inter-Village Competition, Mr. Joselito Mangune.
So, din pong i-announce me, then pa mo pong
Special awards.
Special awards. I-announce mila mo po, Reni. So, for our special awards for most eco-friendly, sinambut sa puing Mawing Village.
Our most colorful awardee is San Isidro Village.
Kabang Best in Bayanihan Spirit sa puing Safer Village.
Best in presentation of theme is Safer Village.
Kabang most creative ya po ing Mawing Village. So apin po rin din kaya katamong special awards. King Inter-Village Christmas Decor Competition.
Let us now award the major winners for the Inter-Village competition. You know, Jody, this is one of the awesome competitions under the Giant Lantern Festival because each of our subdivisions, so we have more than 100 villages and subdivisions in San Fernando located within our 35 barangays, and at least 20 of them participate in the yearly inter-village competition. So pag nagpunta ka dito sa San Fernando at mag-drive around ka all over the subdivisions and villages, makikita mo na Paskong Pasko yung mga entrances nila. It's because of the efforts of our homeowners associations. So let's now announce our winners in the inter-village Christmas decor competition. For our third place, congratulations to San Isidro Village. And San Isidro Village will be represented by Mr. Mark Rayner David and Mr. Archie Bensig. Congratulations, third place winner in the inter-village Christmas decor competition, San Isidro Village. Siyempre naman, Jodes, masayang-masaya ang mga taga-homeowners natin dito sa pagbabalik ng inter-village Christmas decor competition natin. Okay, this time around, we will be announcing the second place winner for the inter-village Christmas decor competition.
Yung pong sinambot para king second place, yapin po ing Safer Village. Congratulations, Safer Village. Ikaw po yung second place king inter-village Christmas decor competition. Yung pong tanggap king karelang galal, yapin po i Mr.
I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Come on everybody, everybody, everybody. Come on everybody, everybody, everybody.
malasa Kitang bibingkana Nya pintuting tao baryo
Malasing pora Bilog na kakuling nga bugit gat no kakuling Bang nila ko kano impalit ko Juan
Next is Barangay Dolores. Barangay Captain Alan Pacho, Head Lantern Maker Marcelino Ambrosio, Head Rotor Maker Robin Serrano, Head Electrician Maricel Maglalang, Assistant Electrician Adonis Juan Camining.
Siyempre, this is the second year for the tandem of Cap Alan Pacho and lantern maker Marcelino Ambrosio, who happens to be the brother of San Jose lantern maker Roland Ambrosio. And nakaka-proud, I think it's the first time ever in the history of the Giant Lantern that we have a female head electrician in the person of Maricel Maglalang. At ang mga Maglalang family also come from a long line of lantern makers such as the great Susing Maglalang. Diba? Nakaka-proud, Jody.
And Masuelo Tamo is not just a male world for lantern making. Mumusbong na la naman, ding kebabainan. Biyasa la naman gawang giant lanterns
That's
in
right,
the
Jody.
future.
Kanya alam mo tong gown ko, it's inspired by female in the society. Kasi first ever na back-to-back, chairperson ng Giant Lantern and mayor natin ay babae.
Yes, and halata naman dito sa iyong gown na gawa ni Glenn Canlas, mga kebabainan la ring makapaint keng kayang gown.
At syempre, Jody, we're so thankful that we also have with us this year our 10th participating barangay, Barangay Bulaon.
Barangay Bulaon, Barangay Captain Honorable Laverny Gopez, Head Lantern Maker Florante Parilla, Head Rotor Maker Christopher Doloiras, Head Electrician Jaime Manaloto.
What's interesting about Barangay Bulaon is that their head rotor maker, si Kuya Chris Doloiras, is also a giant lantern maker in his own right. No? But they've had a pretty amazing tandem with Kuya Dante Parilla through the years. So, tignan natin, this year ba makakabalik sila sa top 3 ng ating giant lantern competition? Again, Jodes, congratulations to all 10 participating barangays of our Giant Lantern Festival. San Fernando, we've been making giant lanterns for the past 115 years lang naman.
115 years? May bait na kanta? Aligo pa siguro, ang gagi kaya ka pa may bait. Pero siyempre, pasalamat taong pong pasibayo ka rin kaya katamong sponsors, official event and venue partner, Robinson Star Mills Pampanga.
Official media partner, CLTV 36.
Telco partner, Smart Communications Incorporated.
The Kalasalamat San Fernando Electric Light and Power Company, our official energy partner.
Ang kakatamong official tabulator, siya po yung SCI College San Fernando, Pampanga, ang po yung Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants o PICPA.
Our live streaming is powered by Converge ICT Solutions.
Ang kakatamong official insurance provider, and Surgery Corporation.
We're so excited about our partnership with our official lightning partner, Firefly Electric and Lighting Corporation.
And siyempre, pasalamatan tala naman po rin aliwapang sponsors. Kalupa na po ning GCash, North Luzon Expressway, Asurion, Microtel Hotel, where service and comfort meet. Hotel Sogo, so clean, so good.
The Kalasalamat Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines, Greenstone Pharmaceutical, Manila Water Philippine Ventures, Mega Prime Foods Incorporated, Primo Sparkling Shoes, Green Cross, and Forever Glow.
Pasalamat kami ng Mampuken Development Bank of the Philippines, Susie's Cuisine, Balibago Waterworks, and Bali Champion Butlers Incorporated, Subicon Corporation, Ampoy Land Bank of the Philippines.
Dakalasalamat Boys and Paints Philippines, Forerunner Services, Captain Conrado Pacla and Family, City of San Fernando Water District, and Corporate Guarantee and Insurance Corporation under the Laos Group of Companies.
Thank you rin King Toyota San Fernando Pampanga Incorporated, Philippine Veterans Bank, Bienvenido Tinape Fernandino, Bank of Florida, Indico, Isuzu Pampanga.
Thank you so much, Aquino Basket Shop Corporation, Supreme Glass, Aluminum Supply and Iron Works. Dakalasalamat, Kuya Architect Hermel Golapa, Microtel by Wyndham Tarlac, and Microtel by Wyndham Pampanga.
Thank you very much, Ancestral Land. Tatang Kuding's Premium Homemade Chocolate de Baterol, Cocina ni Sendang, Fika 204 Coffee Shop, Ampong Han Resorts.
Dakalasalamat, Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant, Clark Marriott Hotel, SF Allied Industrial Products, Le Mineral, and thank you so much, Nueva Vizcaya Wellness Farm.
Dakalasalamat King Nature Spring, Fuelo Furniture Shop, Mr. Glenn Canlas na ginawa king gown na po ni kanakong partner Raching, ang po yung kanakong masantinga Barungeni. Ang po yung pasalamat kami king LA Bake Shop, Fresh Options Meat Shop, and Department of Tourism Region 3.
Thank you so much, Edelin's Homemade Nuts, M's Kitchen, Gandara's Accessories, Handy One Handicrafts, Millicent Fashion Boutique.
Salamat ang Apong Susas Food Products, Loli Pastillas, Everyone's Coffee, Rodel's Food Products, Ampong ML Bounty Food Products.
Thank you so much, Panaderia Agape, Crushi Maki, Lola Puring's Food Products, Beads Clay Ideas, and Necessity Arts and Crafts.
Dakalasalamat King Fernandino Micro and Small Entrepreneurs Association Incorporated, Calix Aluminum Trading, Yells Chocola, Chocolati, Batirol. Ampoing Mac6 Enterprises Corporation. Basan mo na ita, makasakat ko eh.
MCB6.
MCB6 siya pala.
And thank you, of course, Baya Burger, Chowking, Little Maria Homemade Delicacies, and personally, I would like to thank my glam team, Glenn Canlas for my gown, Georgina Gabrilio and Fernando of Georgina Gabrilio Makeup Artistry, and thank you so much, NV Kawa and Tooth Central Dental Clinic for my wellness. And of course, thank you, Vines.
Thank you, Vanessa, Alvin Vanessa Matning Creative Cuts Salon. Ching.
I'm sure everyone's excited. Buriyo pong abalo no Nino Inke katamong Final 3 keng Ligligang Parol. Nanula kayang barangay ding sumambot keng Giant Lantern 2023.
Nino imbis ang sumambot siya, ing Barangay Santo Niño. Nino imbis ang sumambot siya, ing Barangay Telabastagan. Buri ang sumambuting Barangay San Juan. How about Barangay Santa Lucia? Ing Barangay San Jose. Barangay del Pilar. Barangay San Nicolas. Barangay Calulut. Barangay Dolores, and Barangay Bulaon.
I think we have the results, but first, let's call our award presenters. To present our awards for tonight, we call on Mayor Vilma Caluwag, Vice Mayor BJ Lagman, our city councilors who are with us tonight, Councilor Rose Kalimlim, Councilor Reggie David, together with our Giant Lantern Festival Chairperson, Ms. Sonia Soto, our co-chairpersons, Engineer Alvin Mendoza and Ms. Nani Garcia, and our friends from Robinson's Land Corporation, our SVP, Jez Zulueta. At syempre, would also like to invite our judges to join us in the awarding. Ano nga ba ang makukuha ng ating second runner-up or third place winner, Jody? Of course, Jodes, our second runner-up, will receive 100,000 pesos in cash, trophy, and of course, may mga food products from Coca-Cola beverages, and paint from Boysen Paints, courtesy of Boysen Philippines, and prizes from Firefly. Ayan.
Balo mo at ipatok ng ko. Kasi, balo ko, numan makanyang karakal din eh. Pero
for claiming
marakal na
madakal
tanggapan
na
ini.
prizes. Okay? So, I think we'd like to call on our chairperson, Ms. Sonia, to announce our second runner-up. And also joining us in the awarding is Councilor Angel Wihangco.
O ini po, aabot na po ng representative from STI. Ang kakatamong second runner-up. Ayan. Miss Sonia, nino po kayang sinambot? Second runner-up. O yan, naro, nino kaya? Takpantaya. Ay, kasadeng.
Our second runner-up is Barangay San Juan.
Congratulations, Barangay San Juan. Second runner-up. Paslagya pa kaya kayong barul. As our second runner-up.
Barangay San Juan, led by Honorable Claro Tolentino, our barangay captain, head lantern maker Mark Flores, rotor maker Arnold Flores, and head electrician John Luigi Flores with assistant electrician Ian Dave Tizon. Thank you so much, Tita Soto. Please now join our award presenters. For the first runner-up, the winner will be announced by Honorable Vice Mayor BJ Lagman.
Our first runner-up will receive 200,000 pesos cash and a trophy. Aside from the cash and trophy, the first runner-up will also receive 10,000 pesos worth of products courtesy of Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated. Ang po pang apulong timbang Boysen Flat Latex from Boysen Paint Philippines. Let's have our Vice Mayor, BJ Lagman, to announce the first runner-up.
Okay, I'd like to greet everyone a advance Merry Christmas po. And I'd like to thank everyone for taking time. And ini pong kagatamong event is for us to enjoy. And again, mimingat po pa uli and wishing you all a very merry and prosperous New Year ahead of us. Merry Christmas. All right. Our 2023 Giant Lantern Festival first runner-up is Barangay San Nicolas. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Barangay San Nicolas. Barangay Captain Jervin Sembrano, Head Lantern Maker Edmar David, Head Rotor Maker Angelica David, and Head Electrician Edwin M. David.
It's your time to shine, Barangay San Nicolas.
So, the David Slay Goliath? Ano ito?
The Davids. The David family slays.
The David family slays. Congratulations pa si Bayu. King kaya katamong first run-up, Barangay San Nicolas.
This year's champion, Jody, will receive 300,000 pesos in cash.
King kaya katamong champion, tanggap yung 300,000 pesos in cash.
Trophy and also 10,000 pesos worth of products from Coke, Poison Paints, and Firefly Electric and Lighting Corporation. At meron din silang Katingo products coming from Green Pharmaceuticals. To announce our champion for this year's Giant Lantern Festival is none other than our ever-gorgeous and indefatigable City Mayor, the Honorable Vilma Balye Caluwag. Our super friendship, Mayor Vilma, will be joining us to announce this year's champion. Of course, the envelope will be handed over by
King kaya katamong masipag, a mayor. Mayora. Are you excited, friendship, to know our champion for tonight, friendship?
Yes, I'm so excited and at the same time, I'm nervous.
Why are you so nervous,
I don't know
friendship?
why.
Okay. Oy, Nina po, inaabot na, bibiyada na po, ing kaya katamong envelope, maglaman, ken champion tamo. Ngayon ba tanyong envelope, ken kaya katamong chairperson na
OMG!
tabulation committee.
Advance Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Oh my God! Balik na tayo, balik na tayo.
OMG!
Friendship!
And the champion is...
Ninong po rito mag-champion!
Tandaan! Sinong bet nyo?
Hindi nila marinig. Sinong bet nila, Mayora?
Sinong bet nyo? Ay, grabe! Okay, congratulations! Ay, and the champion is... Congratulations! Barangay! Woo! Telabastagan!
Congratulations, friendship!
Telabastagan!
Thank you so much, Mayor Vilma. Congratulations, Barangay Telabastagan, Barangay Captain Elmer Manguera, our four-time Giant Lantern champion, Arnel Flores.
Head brother maker, Jeremiah Balboa. Head electrician, Ronald D. Aguila.
Such a blessing, Jody. Such a blessing indeed for Barangay Telabastagan. You know, a few days before the festival, na-operahan si Kong Arnel Flores. And we were not sure if he was gonna finish his parol in time. But today is such a miracle indeed. And I think it's really well-deserved. I'm so happy for Barangay Telabastagan. At syempre, congratulations, back-to-back win again for the Flores family. Champion, Kuya Arnel Flores. And then second runner-up, Mark Flores for Barangay San Juan. And this year, we have a new team on the top 3. First runner-up, Barangay San Nicolas. I'm so happy and proud of you guys. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat.
Pero Ching, for us, for everyone, they are all winners already. Kaya pamong pamakyabe da king kaya katamong Giant Lantern Festival this year. Sinambut nungan, pay pagalan doren, din obra maestra doren. Hardships doren kaya katamong Giant Lantern.
Dakala salamat ka rin, pay pagal at ginusal para king kaya katamong Ligligang Parol 2023. Thank you so much to our Giant Lantern Festival Executive Committee led by Mayor Vilma Caluwag, our honorary chairperson, Vice Mayor BJ Lagman, our honorary vice chairperson, And our chairperson, we're so proud of you, Tita Sonia Soto. And syempre po, let's be mindful and keep our area clean because we're the home of the giant lanterns. We're not a giant trash can.
Oh, impong kalat tamo, tamo po giant trash can. Di mo pag-celebran tamo ngayon giant lantern sila. Pantomila pong pasibayo rin kaya katamo sinambot. Second runner-up, o ini po, Barangay San Juan. Ayan.
First runner-up, Barangay San Nicolas.
And yung kaya katamo pong champion, ayan, akit siya po, Barangay Telabastagan. Walang labis, walang kulang, sing pangilinan.
Congratulations to all our winners and congratulations to all Fernandinos. Tonight, we've proven how talented and creative we are and how deep our faith is in God. Dakala salamat po kay kayungan pasibayo po. Ako po, Itching Pangilinan, and kay kayong City Tourism Officer.
Ako naman po, Jody Dizon Mercado. Wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Nikit-ikit tamo pong pasibayo kay tutuking banwa, king peka, ing granding okasyon, istong Pasko ketiking Pilipinas, ing ligligang parul. See you all next year for the grandest Christmas celebration, the Giant Lantern Festival, only here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, Philippines, home of the Giant Lanterns and Asia's Christmas capital. Good night, everyone! Masayang Pasko at magrasyang bayong banwa po kay kayungan that in all things, God will be glorified.
At syempre, ating kopang panayan, antabayan tayo po fireworks display ng Robinson Star Mills. Masayang Pasko, ampong masaplalang bayong banwa kay katabungan. Fireworks in
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and thank you to the Tourism Office.
Sayading sabla, aparat pagpintula, tingkaw ang tingparo, minsingal ang puso na. Ikis na, tetera, ding sulugan ing parol, dikligang kigletuan, dikligang inegran. Sayading sabla, aparat pagpintula, tingkaw ang tingparo, minsingal ang puso na.
Pasko ay sumapit, tayo ay mangagsiawit ng magagandang himig dahil sa ang Diyos ay pag-ibig. Nang si Kristo ay isilang, may tatlong haring nagsidalaw at ang bawat isa ay nagsipaghandog ng tanging alay.
Bagong taon ay magbagong buhay, nang bumigaya ang ating bayan. Tayo'y magsikap upang makamtan natin ang kasaganaan.
May bahay ang aming bati, Merry Christmas na malwalhati. Ang pag-ibig pag siyang naghari, araw-araw ay magiging Pasko lagi.
Ang sanlibo ng pagbarito, hihingi ko ng aginado. Kung sakaling kami perwisyo, pasensya na ngayon kami namasko.
Ang Pasko ay sumakit na naman, kaya tayo ay dapat na magdiwang. Pagkat ngayon ay araw ng pagsilang, ni Jesus na di natin nalilimutan.
Halina tayo ay manalangin, nang tayong lahat ay kanyang pagpalain. Ang
nagsasanggol na siyang mag-aari ng panghabang panahon. Dinggin niyo ang buong bayan, pamasko ang kapitan, laganap ang kasayahan, may
Pasko'y araw ng bigayan, ang lahat ay nagmamahalan. Tuwing Pasko ay lagi ng ganyan, may sigla, may ganap ang bayan. Maligaya, maligaya.
Dakal po salamat ka rin mong egalaga ng Mexicagon. Time to party!